Francesca's Treasure Cove. Hi Francesca, today we're going to be opening something that I really wanted, but me and Mummy almost forgot that they sell it in Asda now. But we only thought that they sold it in America, but these weren't in America. Some of them were in America, but we got one from Asda and it was just £4.
What's it called? It's called Mine It's Diamond, and one box in 24 has a real diamond. Really? A real diamond? I don't think it'll be a real diamond, but maybe a rock.
But it might look like that.
Can you open it up, or do you need help?
Yeah, I can open it. How do you open this? Go on. How do you? I got the glove. It wants to be tickled. I got my belt. I'll catch it on you.
It's super cool. What's that? The diamond and the tools. So can I have a close look at everything, please?
Only diamond.
So we've got like a diamond, a magnifying glass, a little hammer and a chisel.
So guys, this is my tickler. This is my mirror that opens. This is my bracelet that's magnetic. This one, I need to put it on. And this is one. Two things, but I don't take that. Have you done this? Can I see it? Magnifying glass. This is actual magnetic. And magnetic. It's magnetic to here, Mum.
Yeah?
Look, what was that thing?
You're
Let's cheer for Mummy. Mummy, 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 Mummy. I'm gonna check what Dad's doing.
Right, this looks. You can see that might be black line jasper, or to me it looks a bit more like tiger's eye because it's got the orangey golden bit there.
Can I hold it now?
I don't know if you can see
I need
it.
to have a magnifying look.
See the golden bit that
I
shines?
need to have a magnifying look.
I think that might be tiger's eye. You like tiger's eye? How is it? Can you see golden bits?
No. They're yellow. And silver.
Right, so how was that?
Good.
That was hard work. Should we keep these little tools? Yeah, we'll give them a little clean.
Can we keep the sand for school?
Boop. Boop. No, the sand needs to go in the bin.
Oh.
Right, so how was that?
Good.
So put your thumbs up.
Like this video.
Okay, bye everyone.
Bye bye. I hope you like my silly video. Don't forget to subscribe. Whatever channel you're gonna do of this. Should I? Come on.
Watch that water don't spill. Okay, bye everybody.
Okay, bye everybody. If you like my video, press the red button down below for more. Bye.